How to share any product on eBay to Facebook directly. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to share any product on eBay to your Facebook feed or directly message directly. So all what you have to do first, then go to eBay app. This is the home page, and then choose the product that you want to share. For example, I'm gonna choose this laptop right here. Now all what you have to do to share it is by going to the top corner and click on those three dots here. Click on those three dots and click share this item. And now swipe right and you will find Facebook. Click on it and it will be shared directly. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.